Alright, that's a little clearer. Alright. What's up, Pyros? For some reason, my shit was all blurry a minute ago. I gotta clean the screen off or something. I don't know. I'm probably baby smudge. You will not believe what happened to me about a week ago. I was on the Instagram just chatting away with some Pyros and shit. And I was talking about the past, how I started YouTube and shit. He's like, oh, really? I never knew that. I never knew you had cancer, man. I was like, hey, well, let me make a donation. I was like, what? I'm like, well, I didn't even think, we're still doing it. I didn't think it was still going on, but I guess someone thinks that Pyro PD should never stop. And I'll show you who this somebody is. They're very important. And I'm pretty sure if you're a kid Pyro and you're pretty good with a fucking knife, and you like knives, and you like labels, such as BOW! Them bad boys. And you're gonna know this dude. And free MFN stickers. That's right. If you have not checked him out, check him out. Much love, brother. Much love. The Pyro community thanks you. Oh my God. Oh my God, I thank you. They talk about good things happen to those, like karma and shit. Well, I've been having some shitty karma. This is finally this is unbelievable. Like, the Pyros out here that they have done for me, without them, I wouldn't have been able to do what I've always wanted to do. Oh, and guys, I did do a trial run for you Pyros out there that watch my channel. I did a trial run on the Sammy Best and the ground bloom. It was successful. Successful as shit. I put a little bit of flash powder on with a little bit of super glue on the tip of the fuse, and yep. That motherfucker went good. Guess what? Somehow this dumbass piece of shit phone had a little bit of water on it or something. I hit the button, and when I went to go hit it, it somehow got fucking deleted. Like, unfoundable. Like, I can't find it nowhere. I hate this phone, dude. I'm pretty sure if somebody knew what they were doing, they could probably find it. But yeah. So, New Year's Eve, guys. PD. I've been working on something. I've been making my own cake. Something I have never, ever done. I don't know if I can see. You guys can see this or not. Oh, I can't see. There we go. Put this down so I can see this again. There we go. See how it starts like with the W, then it all goes one way, like to the left. Then there's the V's in the middle, and then there's straight up and down. Then there's all the way to the right, and then there's gonna be another V in the back. Except for it's gonna have those three in the middle, and one of these three in the middle is the fucking Pyro P fucking beautifulness. Have you ever seen a 4 canister? There's 30 grams of lift in that mother. Oh yeah, boys. Go big. Go home. And we got some some tubes taken apart, like a bunch of different cakes, and we mix matched them. So it's got like, I think I got like 6 200-gram cakes mixed up in it. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Alright, Pyros. Pyro out.